It's time to pop the champagne, make some noise, dish out some food, throw some confetti and burst some balloons as Nollywood's finest, bad boy, turned 35 yesterday, September 26. James Iyke Moa, popularly known as Jim Iyke, is an actor, businessman, model, philanthropist, producer, born in Libreville, Gabon to Mr. and Mrs. Stephen Simua. He hailed from Onuguajidi village of Anambra State, Nigeria, and the only son with 6 sisters as siblings. For all the apparent controversies Jim may stir and cause heads to roll, he equally has a softer side and can be a real gentleman when he chooses to. We wish him a happy birthday.